Welcome, buddies! In this video, we're going to draw, craft, and learn about dogs! Yay! We'll be making this fun doggy headband you get to wear and play with. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna work on this together, and I'm just so happy I get to work on an animal that I really love. You know, it's so exciting to spot so many different kinds of puppies when you go to the park, on the streets. And before we start, you're gonna need cardstock, a black marker, crayons or color pencils, and also some glue, scissors, tape, and a stapler. Scissors are dangerous, so make sure you get a grown-up to help you out with the cutting part. And now we get to draw a puppy together. Do you know puppies are actually baby dogs? And when they're grown-ups, we call them dogs. So we're gonna first draw the shape of the head. It's almost like a stretched circle, or you can call it oval, like an egg sideways. And I just drew the puppy's ear, and here's the nose. And I drew a big ear and big nose because puppies can hear and smell very well. And there's a circle for the eye. And we'll have a nice big round eye. And there is puppy's smile. Smile, puppy. And there we have our puppy. Let's color in the eye. I want to make it black, but you can choose another color as well. There. I like that. Do you have a dog at home, or do you know anyone who has a dog? Maybe like a friend or a neighbor or somebody in your family. There's so many different kinds of dogs out there if you pay attention. Some have pointy ears shaped like a triangle. And some ears are shaped like bat ears. And some ears can be hanging down, just like this one. So next time you're on the street or you just see dogs around, you can try to spot many different kinds of ears. And a really cool thing I found out is that a dog actually can move his ears to tell you when he's scared or sad, or when he's alert and curious, he wants to find out about something. He's gonna move his ears. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I'm just finding out so many new things about puppies that I didn't know. And we can just trace it like that to make it nice and thick. That's looking good. And some dogs can be very tall and skinny with long legs, and those dogs usually can run really fast. And some other dogs have cute, short legs and are a little slower. So you can see there are just so many different kinds. Dogs can also be very good learners. That's another really cool thing about them. You can teach them tricks and they can learn words and letters just like you. And you can tell them about things you want them to do or things they're not supposed to do, and they can actually learn that. That's so awesome. And some people actually spend a long time talking to dogs because many times dogs understand us. And they're also very good helpers. Some of them actually can work just like grown-ups, and they can be trained to help people at nursing homes and hospitals and schools. So I went ahead and colored this. You can use markers, crayons, pencils, or you can just print out what we have on our comment section below. We have a printable. And now we are going to build the headband. So first, we're gonna cut around the dog's head. You can get a grown-up to help you out, or you can try yourself. It's a little tricky to cut it into a round shape like this puppy. Just do it carefully and enjoy. Alright, we got the puppy's head. And after that, we're gonna make the straps. So you can cut out 2 long rectangular straps from colorful construction paper. You can also use cardstock to make it sturdy. And if you don't want to color it yourself, you can again just print out the printable headband and puppy we have from our comment section. And you want to make sure the straps are nice and long so that there's plenty of room to wrap it around your head. Alright, so now we're gonna cut this in half. You can definitely do also different colors. So now these 2 straps are ready to be taped behind the puppy head. We're gonna put it 1 on each side. 1 and 2. And now we're gonna tape it. I think tape would work better than glue. You can just make sure you use enough tape so that it's nice and strong. And once it's done, you can ask a grown-up to wrap it around your head to see what size it should be. And now that we have the size, we're gonna secure it in place by stapling it. This is a stapler. Or if you don't want to staple it, you can just use more tape. Make sure it stays around your head. And there we go. Wow, I think that looks really nice. I wonder what yours looks like. I would love to see pictures of your headband if you also made one. And here we have these really cute props that you can also cut out and glue around the head. So these are also available to print out if you'd like, but you can definitely make your own. You can draw your own props. Here you can see I have a bone. Some dogs love cookies shaped like bones. And I'm gonna cut out a star here, but you can try other things. What other shapes do you think you could put around your doggy headband? And there's a bow. Wow, I think this is gonna look adorable. And you can also try making this with some of your other favorite animals. If you have a cat, or if you have maybe a bunny at home, I think those would also look very cute, made into a headband. And perhaps you could even give it as a present to a friend or a sibling. I think that would make somebody really happy. And another cool thing is, this is also a great prop that you can add to a costume if you want to get dressed up for a play or a party. There's so many ways for you to have fun with this headband. Let's just make sure you put on enough glue. Or you can also tape it if you want it to be extra strong. Wow, I think it looks very cute. I love it. I hope you enjoyed making this headband together with me, because I had a lot of fun. Check out all these other really cute headbands you can try to make. Different kinds of animals. You just need to print them out from our description section. That's it for now. Subscribe and press the bell. We have lots more projects to do together. Thanks for joining us, buddies. Bravo to you! Woo!